address today's topic is called college education degree. This is important for your people. Are you important?
Yes, me too. Everything is right and everyone deserves the same. But what's all? Who's going to foot the bill?
I will continue.
Strong economy. But we are not as rich as those countries. True, but we can invest in education for long-term and benefit.
How does it help the economy?
More workers, better jobs, and innovation. Still, the budget is limited. We could start essential programs and raise taxes on the wages.
What advantage?
Free college remove them. Students can start careers without debt. That sounds nice, but it still feels risky. People do not do it. That slows down people's life and bullying from starting new life.
And we forget the first of the advancing life.
Actually, patient of pressure.
So we have had the pros and cons. Here you see any positive now.
Yes, but access funding will be a big challenge. Right, but access to education is worth figuring out.
My teacher is partial face control before doing full play.
How to work as transition.
Good. This is how discussion should be, sharing ideas, seeing good sets. Education is not yet about answers, but about thinking together.